Hi, it's Dr. Judith Briles, the Book Shepherd. Are you thinking about getting some endorsements for your book? It could be a great idea, or it could be a bomb. Endorsements should come from people that you're thinking about for back cover, for that very expensive real estate called your cover that people pay a lot of attention to. Front is a pick-me-up, back is what this book is about. The person or people that you choose should have clout, should have recognition to whoever your potential reader is. It's not going to be your next door neighbor unless they're a bigwig or some celebrity. I would shy away from anything political, in most cases religious, because you lose half the people which way you go. Now, I'm going to tell you an exception. My memoir, which is called When God Says No, revealing the yes when adversity and loss are present, actually has a rabbi and a wonderful minister, both endorsing. So it's a crossover type of thing. But it really is my memoir that comes into play. You could put endorsements and make them blurbs. You're not looking for long stuff in the front matter of your book, under praise or people are talking or something like that in the area. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you, be very careful with endorsements. Your back cover is so critical, so essential. I'd rather have you have great marketing copy. Just my 2 bits. Make sure you follow me on my Twitter account at MyBookShepherd. And hey, there's a whole bunch of videos up here. Watch them. They're just a few minutes. Listen. My podcast is almost a full hour. Author Do Your Guide to Book Publishing. I always have in-depth how-to information to be so many different things and grow in your author success. Sometimes I just do the show solo. Other times I have fabulous guests. The show has had over 9 million downloads since inception, and there are over 500 episodes. Hey, follow me on my weekly newsletter that comes out on Friday. All you have to do to subscribe is go to paper.li/Judith Briles.